on the way to Change Falls. इधर से 14 किलोमीटर है Change Falls and today I have been rigged with this Bolero. ये आज का ट्रैवल कार होने वाला है दिन भर का. And so quick checklist. सुबह ऋषभ जाने वाले थे but due to monsoon and heavy rain वो cancel हो गया. We might try tomorrow on the day 4. But आज के लिए we are going to sightsee Lava और Change Falls देखेंगे, पाइन फॉरेस्ट घूमेंगे एंड सेक्सी सिनेमैटिक कंटेंट्स खींचेंगे आप लोग के लिए. यू गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड एंजॉय दी सिनेमैटिक्स. फिर आपसे मिलते हैं Change Falls जाके. Okay guys, so you have seen the roads. It was quite kind of off-road tour up to Change Falls, but it doesn't go all down to the falls. So we have came up to 14 kilometers near the Change Falls, but there is a trail that goes to the base of the fall, from where you can see that is the actual viewpoint of the falls. So we are going to like hike down kind of 1 kilometer and then we are going to reach that point. This was supposed to be a good trail, but during the construction of road last year, a road was constructed from this part to Sikkim, and since then this trail was like dismantled, and now it's kind of, you know, it's covered. It's not a trail. You have to be careful over here, and I'm here during the time of monsoon, so pretty much it's slippery. I hope these mountain boots will be helping me and saving my ass today. I don't want to like break my leg over here. That won't be a beautiful end of this journey. By the way, lava has multiple leeches in every forest area, like this plant or this section of the trail, anything. So whenever you are touching something, be sure there isn't any kind of leech that is joke. ध्यान रखिए joke ना हो, and also carry some amount of salt with you. Salt is a enemy of leech and they don't get stuck to you when you use salt over their faces, so carry it in case of emergencies, or else everything is fine. That's my mom going. Okay, the road is really bad and at certain places it gets narrow too, but just look at this view. I don't know if you guys can hear, but I can hear the falls from here. It's tremendous. Some parts of the trail gets really bad. You have to be really careful while walking down it, or you can just sprain your ankle and get hospitalized. Wear mountain boots like the one I'm wearing to prevent this kind of problem. These mountain boots are really going to be helpful. Try to get the one with high ankle. Those like chance कमा देता आपका पैर मुड़ने का. You won't be getting an ankle sprain easily, but you will be getting if you are not careful on the road. Like right now I cannot even look at the camera. I have to look at the road, but I have to keep talking. That's the way of vlogging, raw vlogging according to me. Just have a look at this. So calm, so quiet, and I can really hear the waterfall. I guess you guys are able to hear it too. GoPro has a good mic. There's the facility GoPro gives. Finally, we are in the Changge waterfalls. At my background, you can see the Changge waterfalls. It is the largest waterfalls in the Kalimpong district, as well as it is the glacier waterfall. So इसमें पानी साल भर रहता है, but during the monsoon it gets more violent. And if you guys are thinking why I'm looking like a mess, so the trail was really tough. It's completely slippery. You can fall anytime. So it was I have to be very cautious. And I was wearing a hoodie, as you have seen in the last shot. तो गर्मी बहुत हो रहा था, हुडी खोल दिया, बट आई एम लुकिंग लाइक अ टोटल मैस. बट पहुंच गए इधर से. सो वी विल टेक सम शॉट्स ओवर हियर, देन वी विल हेड बैक. इट विल बी अ 1 किलोमीटर अप ट्रैक एंड इट विल बी रियली टफ. नीचे उतरने से ऊपर चढ़ना ज़्यादा टफ होता है. टिल देन एंजॉय सम सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स ऑफ दिस छांगे वाटरफॉल्स एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज इन द कार नेक्स्ट. One tip for everyone who is coming here: don't forget to carry water bottles, because the up trek is going to be tough and you will be needing water bottles. So just carry water bottle per head.
Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide.
So guys, we are finally up from the like 1 kilometer trek down to the waterfalls, and now we are heading back to the hotel for lunch. तो लंच करेंगे और फिर आगे के लिए निकलेंगे. अभी लंच करना ज़रूरी है. We are exhausted. That place was pretty slippery. I slipped 2 times. फिर भी I'm fine. और क्या चाहिए? But आगे के रास्ते के लिए we need some energy. So we will fill our bellies and then we will hit the pine forest and take some cinematic shots. Take some cinematic pictures. वैसे आप लोग ने अभी तक मेरे को फॉलो नहीं किया है तो इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर दीजिए @LunarWolf. आई विल ऐड इट इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. और भी वीडियोस आने वाले हैं. Day 4 अभी भी पूरा बाकी है, जो कि झलौंग का होगा. तो हिट द सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन एंड हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल. आगे मिलते हैं लंच के वक्त.
Nothing will be like it was, but it will always be my.
Well, the plan was not to shoot till we are in hotel, but I couldn't like stop without showing you this, guys. It's raining heavy. There are two types of mountain lovers. The one who loves snowy mountain, the one who loves rainy mountains. I am both, but rain in lava is just awesome. Just look at this waterside puddle. Feels so awesome. It makes you feel alive. It makes you feel 10 किलोमीटर है. होटल जाएंगे. Yeah, I will get back with the lunch stuff जो मैं पहले बताया था. But you guys just need to see this.
Just as it seems.
We are back in the hotel and we are going to have lunch here. Actually, we have booked a holiday home, so food is included. So why to waste the food? We are going to be provided in the package and have food. So we are going to have this food, and then we are. So here is the bhindi and aloo ka tarkari, and here is dal. This is rice and bhat. Along with that, here is the fish which my mom is going to have. I have ordered an omelette. That's the entire recipe you get with the package of buying the room and as well as the food. This entire package costs over here around 1300 rupees per night per person. That's around 2600. per person per night. There are various other holiday homes where you can find it cheap. It depends on the season to season. At top season it always has less price, but actually it is off season due to rain, so the price is high right now. That's the entire factor of this pricing.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old goodbye. And now that you're gone.
Welcome back guys on the second part of the vlog.
24 किलोमीटर रोलेगांव
and
दिस ये रास्ता का 4 किलोमीटर ऋषभ. अभी हम लोग घूम के जा रहे हैं. ओके, ये रास्ता शॉर्ट रास्ता, खराब रास्ता.
So he is our lovely guide for the day and हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी ऋषभ की तरफ. उधर से व्यू पॉइंट मिलेगा एंड पाइन फॉरेस्ट मिलेगा. अब मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ कि पाइन फॉरेस्ट मिलेगा, फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, क्या ही है. रास्ते का व्यू एंजॉय करना पड़ेगा. आई एम रियली मिसिंग अ ड्रोन राइट नाउ. आई विश आई हैड अ ड्रोन. इधर से जो व्यू पॉइंट है ड्रोन से परफेक्ट 360 डिग्री व्यू आता, बट आई डोंट हैव इट. फीलिंग बैड अबाउट दैट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ यू गाइज आर प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप टू लावा एंड लोलेगांव, देन माइंड इट, जुलाई और अगस्त में आपको बारिश मिलेगा. सो सम थिंग्स रिमेन्स क्लोज लाइक न्यूरा वैली नेशनल पार्क. बट अगर आपको ग्रीनरी पसंद है इस समय आइए, नहीं तो सितंबर 16 के बाद आइए जब पार्क खुल जाता है. यू कैन ट्रेक ओवर देयर एंड आप उधर व्यू पॉइंट्स भी जा सकते हैं जो यहाँ का बेस्ट व्यू पॉइंट है. या
दिस इज हाईएस्ट.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
On the way to Rishabh, you can find pretty view of pine forest. There are 7 different types of pine which you won't be knowing, but your guide can show you. And all of this is filled with in the route to Rishabh. You can just see this entire route is filled with pine forest on both the sides. It's a complete forest tree trail, which is my favorite, and this is kind of a dream come true for me. I have been to Ooty and there is this kind of Nilgiri trails with oak trees, but pine trees are even more beautiful. So I have no complaints. After this first day failure, this is going good. Guys, we are at the Rishabh top and this is the final destination almost of the day. And just check out the view. This is the highest point in the Rishabh belt. 8,200 feet. Sorry, meters would be devastating. Anyways, on a clear day you can see Kanchenjunga belt from that side to that side, the entire belt, and entire Neora Valley and the lava city from here. But it's a cloudy day due to the we have come here in monsoon. This is why the location weather is not that much clear, how much it should be on a winter morning, but you can find the lush greeneries which you cannot find in winter. So it depends on your choice which one you are trying to enjoy. Rishabh viewpoint is pretty much on a high ground, so early morning you can come, you can enjoy the sunrise from here too, and it is pretty famous for sunrise too. It's the entire skyline of Rishabh. So guys, I am ending today's vlog over here at Rishabh. You can see the skyline at my back. We are at the Rishabh, and right now we will be heading some tea over there, and then we will head back to the hotel. Tomorrow is a big day. The day 4 is coming. We will be going to Jhalong, so stay tuned for that. Till then, subscribe my channel and let me know any kind of suggestion, any kind of comment you have regarding my walk in the comment section. Please like and share the content, and till then, peace out. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.